The following message is transmitted at the request of the Norman Police Department. A local area emergency has been declared. A strange wolf creature has been spotted. He is wearing a red t-shirt and mild blue shorts. If you see the suspect, do not approach him. He is confirmed as wolfoo. Male, gray fur, gray and cream.
You better stop leaving him right here. I see it here again. You ain't gonna get one.
Unknown height, unknown weight. He may be driving in a 2005 dark orange Ford Escape. Do not approach him as he is not yet confirmed. This is an update to the following message transmitted at the request of the Alabama Department of Public Safety. We have just discovered that the wolf creature is going around all of Alabama doing some trouble, such as breaking cars, robbing banks, throwing rocks out windows, and more troublesome things. He also has been spotted around. If you have any information regarding this thing or see the suspect, call the Norman Police Department at 824-372-9466. Shelter-in-place warning in effect. The wolf creature known as Wolf has brought his two best friends, Pando and Cat. Shelter-in-place has been affected. If you have a basement, seek in it, or a room with no windows or less windows. If Pando or Cat attempts to break into your house, please use arm protection at all times. Please stay tuned for the next updates or notifications to remind you of what's going on. Please take shelter immediately. Take cover now. This is a civil danger warning effective for all of Colorado. This wolf creature that was spotted around Alabama has been reported to Colorado. His two best friends may be spotted. There is no information on anything else. Please contact the Denver, Colorado Police Department if you see the suspect. The number will be listed down on Colorado books. Emergency action notification. Wolfoo is causing a spread of wild dogs and riots and missiles. Please take shelter immediately. Stay away from windows and doors. Stay and away. Get other stuff with you to tell you when this situation is over. Now just stay covered immediately. Administrative message taken by Denver in Norman. We will be speaking. Wolfoo has been stopped from doing. Wolfoo and his friends have been stopped, and been taken back to normal. If any or family member has been killed, we will be taking funerals for the deaths of the people who have died in this situation. In loving memory of those people.